Hello everyone, summer is finally near and my way of welcoming and celebrating it is transforming this sad-looking dusty patio with new outdoor furnitures. On this video, I will also be mentioning the products that I selected and where I got them from. This is Sherry and welcome to my channel. Of course, this project has to start with cleaning. My husband had to pressure wash everything and I just have to follow it up with a little bit of dusting here and there. I got some string lights from Home Depot, carpet from Amazon, and a bird feeder. Here in our property in Florida, we get to see variations of birds in our backyard. That's why I opted to have a bird feeder. There was even a time we saw bald eagle. They were huge. After that, I was a little bit spooked. We named our backyard Jurassic Park. Not only we get to, be entertained with varieties of birds in our neighborhood, we also have butterflies, bunnies, wild hogs, sometimes deer, and rare sightings of gator. A little recap, this is what our backyard looks like. Besides the animals that I have mentioned, we do see garden snakes here from time to time, and because of those animals and most especially for my toddler's safety, we wanted to delay our project and really plan what I want to do in this area. But for now, I feel much safer inside our covered patio. This carpet I bought from Amazon. It's a flat weave area rug in beige. It has good ratings on Amazon and so far I really have no complaints about the quality of it. The size is 6 by 9, fits perfectly in our patio. I'm happy with my purchase. If you are interested in any products that I will be mentioning on this video, check the description. I will list everything in there. Next is our furniture. I had a hard time really weighing in what I want to pick and prioritize. This is my first time picking out furniture for our patio, but I don't want to go crazy with the budget. I want to keep it affordable but not settle for a super cheap material, so I ended up picking this. It's a 5-piece patio furniture set. I got it from Amazon for $400. I also found one on a different website. They have different name, but obviously they are the same. On this particular website, I even checked the reviews and the picture. It's really similar. They differ in the price. On another website, it was almost $550. So yeah, check website before purchasing a particular item. Hunt for the best deal. The size of this furniture set is a little bit smaller compared to what I had in mind, but then again, I can't complain because on its description, it literally says small patio conversation set, garden patio sofa set, and I bought it for a really good price and it fits perfectly in our patio. Just a heads up, the cushions on this furniture sleeps easily, and I also had to buy a different throw pillow covers because I wasn't really fond of red. I decided to purchase a more summer-friendly color pillowcases. Of course, also in Amazon, and I ended up selecting these tropical leaves pattern. I know I already have the string lights, but I also added this TomCare solar lights from Amazon. First impression, I do love that it shines so bright. I wasn't expecting it to be bright as it is. I've had this product for 4 months now and it still works. It lights up the same way. I do use it every weekends, let it charge the following day, and then turn it off during the weekdays. The furniture is assembled and we have the cushions. Since they are going to be exposed to extreme weather condition, it is time to protect these fabrics, even the carpet, and of course the furniture. Another great buy from Amazon, which is my personal favorite, is this hammock. I can pick a more modern type such as swing or something that we can hang to our ceiling, but I decided that I don't want to do unnecessary work to make sure our ceiling can handle the swing that I picked, so this one will do. It already has a stand. I got it for $223. It's a little bit pricier because the material that I chose for this one is the Sunbrella. It has a weather-resistant fabric, it claims to outlast every season, and it promises years of vibrant colors. It can hold up to 450 pounds, which is amazing. I love it so much. It's super comfortable. The kids love it. When I say kids, I meant my toddler and his friends or his cousin. They always go on this hammock and they enjoy it so much. Now, I don't recommend you doing the same thing I'm doing here. Yes, it's okay to protect your outdoor furniture from rust, but put a more suitable protective gear. What I have here is a silly mask. It doesn't even help. The chemicals from these sprays are super strong. I wasn't expecting it. It's my first time using this product, so do your research before using it. What I'm doing here is wiping the metal part of the hammock, making sure that there's no dust before I apply the protectant. I'm done. Both of these are strong. I was not expecting that. It is my first time to use these sprays and they're strong. I'm sure it's not healthy to smell these chemicals. So if you have other masks at home, use it if you're thinking of protecting your outdoor furnitures. This is what the outside looks like for now. I know it looks crazy at the moment. The scent of those chemicals are too strong for me, and I'm just gonna have to let everything dry for now. I'm gonna go back tomorrow to finalize everything. My toddler wants to go out, but he can't go out because of the chemicals that are still in the furniture. Bad. And this is what our patio looks like. All of the light fixtures were installed by my brother-in-law. This specific ceiling fan we ordered from Wayfair. All of the items that was mentioned on this video, I will link it in the description box below.